Fish on, boys. Hopefully he hasn't swallowed this to his gills. My goodness. That's the danger of having an unattended pool. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jordan. We're out here fishing Strawberry Reservoir, one of the premier fishing spots in Utah. I've been fishing this place for about 20 years. Love it. This is my favorite place to fish by far. Trophy cutthroat trout up here. So that's what we're after today. Just using some tube jigs, nothing special. White tube jigs. I like to tip it with chub meat. That is my secret. The cutthroat in the lake are after chubs, so might as well give them what they want, right? Once the sun comes up a little bit more, you'll be able to see them come and they'll hit it like right there. We've seen some fish busting the surface, so, oops, there we go. Fish on, boys. That's not really what we're after. We're looking for the big boys, but we'll take him. First fish of the morning. I just switched over to this white tube jig and second cast. So this is cutthroat trout. If you guys fish Strawberry Reservoir, know your regulations. 15 to 22 inches, you gotta let them go. Really long, pretty thin. Just like that, we're on the board. This is a little spot that we found earlier on this year. Man alive, we've been killing it down here. My dad caught a huge fish over here. I mean, that sucker was probably 7 or 8 pounds. Just massive. Yeah, that's a better fish. That one's got some great color to it. He's ready to go already. See, those are pretty standard. That's a pretty average catch. Still not what we're looking for. Let's put on a little bit more bait. Now I've just got skin on there. I think that they smell this and they just go nuts. So what I like to do is cut off a nice little section. And then I'll clip that through the skin on both sides. So it's got something to hold on to, basically. And the grosser and the bloodier it is, the better it seems to work. It's not a pleasant smelling fish, but as you see, it gets the job done. Got him right there by the shore. There's a couple different strains of cutthroat in here. Pretty sure this is a Colorado cut. The other ones have been Bonnevilles. These ones are my favorite. I like the darker brown ones. We'll take that all day long. And I caught him about 2 feet from the shore. Good old cutthroat trout. Probably the most common in here. And again, it's probably 17 inches. Good fish. And we watched him take it. He took it about 5 yards from the shore. There he goes. So we're gonna go with a little something here. Curly tail grub, believe it or not. This was actually deadly the last time I was up here. Look at my line. Got him that time. Oh, he got off. Yeah, I didn't deserve him. If you miss the fish 3 times, you don't deserve to catch it. That's what I say. Usually when I get them like that though, it's little teeny ones that can't even fit it in their mouth. They're just kind of pecking at it. So he's got some pretty heavy duty teeth. I don't know if you can see those if the camera picks that up, but that's a meat eater. Ouch. Sometimes I like to just pop them off without even touching them. The rainbows I find fight a lot better than the cutthroat. So if this was comparable to that other fish that I caught, I mean, this would be a heck of a fight. So you can see it's got a lot of pink on it, right? The spots are usually just on the top. It does have some on the sides, but not as heavily as the cutthroat. You got it. So going in, that feels like a decent fish. And that one might be one of the nicer ones today. That's what we're looking for. That would be a slot buster, folks. Over 22 inches. Technically we could keep that fish, but I let him go. So we'll kind of revive this fish. what you do is get him moving forward. You don't want to pull him back. See, he started kicking his tail. Push him forward. That helps the water go through his gills. That was a nice one. That's what we were after. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to call it a day here. It's been a pretty good day of fishing. Early this morning was incredible. I mean, we were getting a ton of bites, a ton of fish. It did slow down significantly from about 9:30 to 11, and then I just got into several fish, but we're worried that it might be shutting off for the afternoon. So we'll see what we can do here. We did catch one really nice one. We were really happy about that one. So our goal was to come out here and catch a big fish. We did get that accomplished. You know, there's still bigger fish to be caught. We're gonna keep after it. That's the joy of fishing. You never know what you're gonna have. So thanks for coming along with us today, and tight lines.